So here's a quick walkthrough for you for any of you new pool owners or who never owned a pool before. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of what everything looks like and what everything is on this pool. A Pentair IntelliFlo variable speed pump that allows you to run your pump 24/7 if you choose to, anywhere from 600 RPM all the way up to 3,450 RPM. Most pools out today still have single speed motors, and those only run at 3,450 RPM, and they are energy hogs. So if you're a pool owner and you want to save energy and don't have solar, that's what you want, a variable speed pump. You got a sand filter with a multi-port valve. Allows you to backwash it, clean it. Good to go. This pool has a hot tub, so there's a heater over there, a blower for the bubbles, and all these valves and it's all automated through that system right there. Let me open this up for you. It's all automated. It comes on automatically. This one doesn't have it, but you can set it up for Wi-Fi. You can set it up for remote inside the house. And here are all the valves. We have, going into the pump, you have a spa side, which is over here. That's your spa side. So when it's set like this, it's pulling from the pool. If that was to turn around and the handle was on this side, that would be pulling from the hot tub, and that's when you're going to use the hot tub. Then you've got two more valves here. One is for the skimmer that controls both skimmers. This one has two skimmers, and that is for the main drain. So when you're on the back of your pool, you want to turn that one off so you have more suction through the skimmer right there. And then on this side, we've got the overflow into the hot tub, which is that right there. This one has a water feature on the step. It's got two bubblers coming up. That's that one, and this is the return to the pool. Whoop, that guy right there. So 3 valves. Now, if your hot tub sits above your pool and the pump goes off and it drains out into the pool and it equalizes so that both levels are the same, most likely it's that valve right there. Because this valve prevents water from going back this way. It stops. There's a door in there. So when right now the water can only go this way. Pump goes off, that door shuts, and the water can't go back through. If there's something stuck in there, if the rubber on the door is cracked or broken, water will go past it and back into the pool. And that's when you have your hot tub lowering down and draining out into your pool. Not a big deal. It is super easy fix. You remove those with the pump off. You remove all those screws right there. This whole thing pops out, and you just replace it. There's also an O-ring in there, so while it's apart, replace the O-ring as well. There you go, quick rundown on a pool system. Any questions? Drop me a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.